Hello, boys and girls. I'm going to read you another book about counting. It's got numbers in it. It's counting up things on a farm. It's a nice book. It's called Farm Life by Elizabeth Spur. And it also is a book about colors. Red barn, what are you keeping? One rumbling tractor ready for reaping. One baler, one sower, one thresher, one mower. This is the farm life, but only a part. Blue barn, what are you hiding? Two sturdy stallions saddled for riding. Three fillies neighing, four hens a-laying. This is the farm life, but only a part. Fillies are young horses. Green barn, what's in your loft? 5 bales of hay with straw piled up soft. 6 cribs of new corn, 6 kittens newborn. This is the farm life, but only a part. Brown barn, what do you hold? 7 small heifers escaping the cold. Heifers are young cows. 8 ewes a-feeding. A ewe is a mommy sheep. 8 lambs a-bleating. This is the farm life, but only a part. Gray barn, what do you house? 9 straw-filled stalls with 9 sleepy sows. A sow is a pig. 10 piglets suckling. Farmer Dan chuckling. This is the farm life, but only a part. White House, open your doors. Show bright braided rugs on shiny oak floors. There's the farm family. Fresh hot tea steeping, down quilts for sleeping. A crackling wood stove and a family to love. This is the farm life, the whole and the heart. The end. Thanks for joining me for this book, boys and girls.